This is the finale of Salon Prive, an event that we're not sure, let's be honest, in the last couple of weeks will even take place. We're really thankful to our sponsors, so AXA, Pirelli, Boodles, Pomery, EFG Private Bank and Lockton for supporting us all the way through this. It's been a bit of a roller coaster ride, as you might imagine. We've had a concours at the beginning of the week with the Salon Prive Concours d'Elegance presented by AXA. The winning car was this incredible Alfa Romeo. We've then moved on through Salon Prive Masters on Friday, which was sponsored by Pirelli and Lockton. And again, some incredible entries. And then today is all about the Salon Prive Club Trophy. So at the back, I'm sure you've seen, and some of you now here might be part of those clubs that have attended today. We have 1,146 supercars from all the major premium clubs out on the back. It's an amazing accomplishment by them. We've just put the event on for them to attend, but the clubs in particular, we want to thank you guys because it's a cumulative effort. There have not been many events going on this season, as we know, and I think to have all you guys here with your clubs in force is just hats off to us all, honestly. Thank you very, very much indeed. We're moving on to Jaguar, absolutely beautiful XK120 OTS. It's Tim Mobile, and it's a 1950. I absolutely love this colour. It's beautiful. Congratulations. Thank you for bringing it. Hold on, whoa. You need an award first.
XJ12 Series Z. This is a beautiful lavender blue. This is the manufacturer's award. Congratulations.
Okay. Another Italian prolific manufacturer, Lamborghini Countess, 1965-85 by Simon Hudson Lane.